either miss or I'm not going to be able to make.
You got a case the 23rd for urinating on Mother Mary statute.
Yep. Okay. Go.
Will you hand me my screen box?
Now go. Preach. Rah.
Elias David Caballero, 25T646339.
Take this one, my brother. My leg hurts. I take this one.
Still hurt?
What's that?
It's good, Your Honor.
Your name?
Elias David Caballero.
Pled guilty yesterday to disorderly person. I set the sentence for today. I set a bond. You have the right to an attorney. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense. You waived it repeatedly yesterday. That doesn't mean that you need to waive it today. Would you like a lawyer to represent you?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have anything you would like to say?
I'm sorry for my negative impact on the community, Your Honor.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't understand. Give me a probation.
I sit down, my leg hurts. I got torn meniscus from wrestling.
Sit down. No problem. What am I going to do with you?
I wish you could still send me to the Marines, but that's not an option anymore, is it?
I can't order somebody into the armed services. You can join the Marines or talk to a recruiter. I can't do that.
When did they change that law?
What am I going to do with you?
Your Honor, I'm medication compliant now. You can call the Trenton Police Department and ask them about my behavior. And I'd like to go back to my mother's. I'd like to go stay with my father or my grandparents, but I think they've all had enough of me. So I don't know what you are to do. I'm not a judge. That's you. That's not me.
You live in Dundee?
No, sir.
Where do you live now?
51 Trenton, Michigan, 48183.
Who do you live with?
My mother and my brother.
Wasn't there something where your mom didn't want you back at the residence? Am I misunderstanding?
Well, Your Honor, I ended up being responsible to loitering. My mother has never stated to me, never made any statements to me that I am not allowed to be.
Has any judge ordered you not to return there? I'm including myself. I might have. You've been in front of us so much over here, it seems like.
I don't know. I don't got all my paperwork. The only places I know that I'm trespassed from the city of Trenton is Taco Bell, Captain's Barbershop, Trenton Engine Plant. I don't know if I'm trespassed from any other place. My mother has told me that I'm not trespassed. And if there is a no contact order, I asked for it to be changed to no abusive contact.
Hang on a second. I didn't make any bond condition on this case. The only bond condition I set was you could not leave the state, you couldn't violate a law, and you must appear in court as directed. That's the only bond condition that I set on this case. I don't know what I have set or other judges. I'm not overruling any other judges. Let me be clear. When's the last time you saw a mental health professional?
Less than a week ago.
Is it helping?
Medication?
Well, I mean, you got to.
Sorry for jumping on you, Your Honor, but I have an appointment for Team Wellness downriver that unfortunately I either miss or I'm not going to be able to make.
You got a case the 23rd for urinating on Mother Mary statute. You got a case in front of Judge Hessen from either the day after that or maybe 2 days after that. I don't know what that offense date was. Lisa, do you know of any case, and I'm cautioning Mr. Caballero here, I seem to remember that there was a case where he couldn't return back to his mother's residence on Lathrop. But I'm just asking, do you know if that's a fact or not?
Yes, there was a case, but I believe it's now closed.
Was that in front of Judge Hudson?
I thought it was in front of you, but I can look through them real quick.
Please.
Is it 5109 Lathrop?
Yes.
Okay, there was a trespassing charge April 28th to 25 out of Trenton. It was dismissed on July 17th.
And that was in front of me?
That was in front of you.
And what did they plead it to? Or was it
They
just...
didn't. It was a dismissal.
When were you taken into custody by the Trenton Police Department?
Last night, yesterday.
I just don't know what to do with you anymore. I'm just telling you, I don't know what to do with you anymore. There's no answers. 12 months probation, you cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. You're not to enter or go near 2675 3rd Street in St. Joe's. You're to attend mental health treatment and provide proof. Fines 100, costs 100, 75 victim's rights fee, $50 justice assessment, $240 in probation fees. Totals 565, 7 days jail, credit 1, serve 6 more. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. I'll let you pay this at the rate of $50 bi-weekly. I won't start that until October 31st. If you ever need more time, you come and talk to me. I'll be glad to give you an extension. So you're going to serve 6 more days. You're going to pay $50 bi-weekly starting October 31. You have to provide proof of continued mental health treatment, and you stay away from St. Joe's. And that is just so disrespectful. Yes, sir.
Could you call could you call,
He'll let you make a call. I'm not making any calls. I got enough going
I
on.
take the ramp down, I got a bum knee.
What's that?
I take the handicap ramp down, I got a bum knee.
Yeah, you take the I could care less. Please stay out of trouble. Straighten out your life.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's call Zaraki. Ryan Zaraki versus Mary Sanchez Catrib, 2503101.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nicholas Darren, standing in for the Attorney Record Scott Longton on behalf of Mr. Zizraki.
Good morning. I think I made a mistake on this, ma'am. I adjourn this. Your name?
Mary Sanchez Catrib.
I adjourn this, I don't think, realizing that it was a termination of tenancy case. I shouldn't have adjourned it. Actually, I'm fine with adjourning it. I wanted to speak with an attorney, but whether you apply for funding and can pay the rent is irrelevant at this point. They're suing for termination of tenancy. So did you have a chance to speak to a lawyer?
I did.
All right. I don't want to know what the lawyer told you or you told the lawyer. So tell me why, counsel, you want an eviction date of the, what? The 5th?
Yeah, if that's 10 days, Your Honor, without...
Tell me why you don't have to vacate by then, ma'am.
So I was with Brian for 5 years and he was the sole provider. I wasn't working. We were together as a blended family. And when he up and left, I wasn't aware that he was leaving. So I wasn't prepared for any of this. So he left and didn't speak to me for 2 months. So I wasn't aware, I wasn't prepared for any of this. So within that time frame that he's been gone, I asked for financial assistance through my DHS caseworker. I mean, I've looked for places that would help with work with my DHS, but there's a wait list for everything,
Okay.
Okay. And I also
Hang on one second. Mr. Darren, what do you have to say?
Your Honor, I get I'm the bad guy in this situation. This is a relationship. It's his house. He's been displaced from his home. She's living there. He's paying all the bills. I understand she's going to say she'll pay the rent or pay the utilities and whatnot, but that's inconsequential. It's a termination of tenancy case. She's been on notice for some time now. She just told you they haven't talked for 2 months. I mean, she's been hanging out at the house.
The notice to quit was sent to you June 18th, ma'am.
Yes.
This is August 25th, so you've had about 9.5, 10 weeks, right? You
Yes,
knew this
and
was coming.
I did, when me and Brian have spoken after quite some time, I also have documents I can submit that we have spoken. I've also have offered to help pay for bills here.
Ma'am, I can't do anything. He's seeking an eviction for termination of tenancy, and there's nothing here that tells me he can't do that.
I don't
I'm
have
sorry.
anywhere to go with my kids. Like, I don't have family. I don't have friends. He knows this. Like, I really don't have anybody.
I can't make my own rules here, man. I'm a lousy judge if I start doing that. I'm sorry. I'm going to give you a judgment for plaintiff. I really am. I'm going to extend the writ date by a couple of days, okay, Mr. Darren? Make the writ date September the 8th. September the 8th. So you have until the 8th. I can give you.
Wait, August 8th or September 8th? You're going to give her an additional month, Your Honor?
What did I say?
You said September 8th.
Yeah, I know. It's only 14 days away.
No.
September is next month, right?
No, August is next month.
No.
No?
Wait, we're
But it was
okay.
August. I wish it was July. I'm sorry.
I'm looking at the wrong day. My calendar got pushed back. So September 8th, Your Honor?
September 8th.
Give her through the
September.
weekend. That's fine.
I
I
thought
can live in that world.
I thought I was going crazy there for a second. I'd love
I
to
thought
have
we
an
were
extra
both going
month of
crazy at
summer.
the same time. So my fault, Your Honor.
No problem. September 8th, ma'am. I'm sorry. He's going to submit a judgment. You have to vacate by the 8th, okay? No later. All right? I'm sorry.
Even if I don't have anywhere to go with my kids? Like,
Ma'am, I can't do anything. I don't sit up. I'm not the legislature here. I don't get to do that. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do. I gave you 4 extra days. That's the best I can do. I'm sorry. Best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. You have a great day.
You too.
You have got to be kidding me. What is going on today? This is a joke. This is a joke. Today is an absolute joke. We need an interpreter.
I need an interpreter when I cannot express myself sometimes.
Joke. Oh my God, sir, put that cigarette out. I don't give a crap that you are outside of this. What is wrong with everybody today? You know what, Miss Reed? We're going to start bringing people in person. People are going to learn how to act in a courtroom.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Ma'am? Ma'am? Can you hear it?
No.
Okay.
I have no patience for that. And trust me, out of the day, I'm sitting up here, I'm the one that needs a drink.